our hook to the main line. We're going to teach Skadoodle how to do it. So you've got the hook through the eye of the hook. Got that? Yeah? Just pull the line, make a loop.
Yep.
And then you're going to go around both the main line and the loop, inside the loop.
Yep.
Once. Now this is really thick, so normal line you do a couple times. Twice. We'll just do 3. It looks like that. Then we pull on the little tag end.
Yeah.
Just like that. And then pull down on the main line. Pull the tag a little bit. And then the main line snug to the hook.
Yeah.
Alright. What we'll do is we'll get Skadoodle. See if he can do it. See how good bald man is at teaching knots.
Okay, so you put it through.
So you pull it like that, yeah. And you want to make a loop. Make the loop and then go around the main line and in the loop 3 times. And pull that leader. That's it. And then pull down on the main line. And bring it down. That's it. Beautiful. There we go. Old man fishing.